Hey, I'm Megan with WTI. Whether you are back to school shopping, a traveler, or a commuter to work, we all need a good backpack in our lives. Currently, as a mom, I've been on the hunt for new backpacks for my kids going back to school. Right off the bat, the first thing that my son loved about this backpack was that there is a combination lock on top. My son loves this because his school does not have lockers, so he feels better knowing that all his contents in his backpack are safe even when he's not in the classroom. Another thing he loved was that the side of the backpack has a USB port. So because we have a portable battery supply, we are able to plug that in on the inside of the backpack. That way he can place his cell phone right in the side pocket with ease throughout the day whenever he needs to charge it. As a mom, the features that I'm looking for in a backpack are quality and practicality. There are tons of little pockets inside and outside of this backpack that you can fit all sorts of miscellaneous things, and I love that the inside has a padded pouch for his laptop. My son is 13 years old and this backpack fits him very well. I love the wide straps on it. They're padded, so I know it's not going to dig into his shoulders when he's walking to school. Another great feature of this backpack is the band on the back of it. It easily slides on top of luggage. Rest assured, it's going to make traveling a whole lot easier. So if you're looking for a backpack with some really cool features, I really do recommend this AMBOR backpack, and that's my point of view.